Alright, let's dive into the Lemorele TC1000, the 12-in-1 USB-C docking station that's turning heads among power users. First impressions? This thing's a game changer if you're the kind of person who juggles multiple monitors, tons of data, and a mess of cables. The TC1000 stands vertically, like a mini PC tower, and right on the front, there's a smart status display. I'll tell you, being able to see which ports are active at a glance is surprisingly satisfying. Let's talk specs. You get a total of 12 ports, including 2 HDMI and 1 DisplayPort, so yes, triple 4K monitor support is here. But heads up, to hit that buttery smooth triple 4K at 60Hz, your laptop needs to support DisplayPort 1.4 over USB-C or Thunderbolt. Otherwise, you'll be capped at lower resolutions. For data, there's a USB-C 3.2 Gen 2 port and 3 USB-A 3.2 Gen 2s, all running at a blazing 10 gigabits per second. That's double the speed of those older 5GBps hubs. Got a ton of files to transfer or need to run external SSDs? You're covered. Power delivery? Up to 100 watts, plenty for most laptops. There's also gigabit Ethernet for wired internet, plus SD and microSD card readers built right in. All that. And it's just over 4 inches tall, saving major desk space. So, who's this for? If you're running a serious workstation, editing video, or just want a clean, consolidated setup, the TC1000 checks a lot of boxes. But remember, that triple 4K magic depends on your laptop's capabilities. Overall, the Lemorele TC1000 feels like the Swiss Army knife of USB-C docks.